Welcome back to Switch South Africa, and today you join me at the launch. This is our first launch for 2022. As you can see, we're launching Opel. They're launching the Opel Zafira Life, and there's two trims. There's the Zafira Life Edition, then there's the Zafira Life Elegance. So the difference is that the edition is basically the entry level, and then there is the top of the range full spec, and that's the Elegance. So I just drove the the edition. So you can see I'm happy. The launch for my first launch this year. So I just drove the edition to our lunch stop. The vehicle drives very well. It has an 8-speed gearbox and 110 kilowatts, 370 or 380 newton meters of torque, my mistake. And I'm currently in the edition, in the Elegance right now, and there's actually an edition. First, hello, there you see. So I like the color of this one. Actually, I really do like the color of this one. I'll show you the current one I'm in. But because it's a Stellantis launch, there's actually other Stellantis vehicles. There's the Alpha, then there's Alpha on that side. So maybe you'll see these cars. You never know. Maybe you'll see these cars on the channel. But let's speak about the car we are in right now. So this vehicle, the one I'm in right now, this is the top of the range. So this is the Elegance, and as you can see behind me, it has a panoramic roof. It doesn't open, but it just has a sunshade like this. So let's speak about the power of the car. It's 110 kilowatts. I never say 110 kilowatts from a 2-liter turbo diesel. You'd be like, 110, that's a bit small. That maybe feels underpowered. But trust me, it's not underpowered. It actually gets to speed quite quickly. It's enough. It's just that I would like to see how it copes when the car's loaded, like, you know, when there's people and luggage. So hopefully when I do get on test, I'll put people inside and then I'll tell you how it feels. But when it's just me and my co-driver for the launch, no, it's very potent. Not bad actually, very, very, very potent. So the difference is, right, because I just came out of the edition, I know, and I just dropped into the Elegance, I can see a few differences. The first difference that I can see, show you here. This one has keyless start. The other one doesn't have. The entry level, it's over there. As you can see, this one has, there you go, it has heads-up display. This screen is a bit different, but it's almost the same. Then it also has multifunctional steering wheel. This is for the Elegance. I'm messing up the names, but the Elegance has multifunctional steering wheel. The edition doesn't have more steering wheels, and this one, the doors open, electric doors, like the side doors open themselves. The edition, the doors don't open themselves. I'm gonna show you that from outside. So let's just pop outside quickly. I'm gonna take the car keys. Here are the car keys. The car keys. This looks like a very Stellantis group car keys. So now looking on the outside of the vehicle looks very beautiful. I like the front end of the vehicle, and I like the wheels. They look very beautiful. And like I said, this one has the electric doors, so you press and hold, okay, opening on the other side, but there you go, electric sliding doors. And when you take a look on the inside of the vehicle, these are the VIP, they call them the VIP chairs. Let me just do that. So yes, these are the VIP chairs. As always, the social plates, they'll go on the vehicle. And then there is the panoramic sunroof, and like I said, it doesn't open, but you can open the shade like that, and brings in a lot of light into the car. Makes the car look very beautiful. I actually like that a lot. And what I like about these seats as well, you can actually rotate them, and then they can face each other. And when they face each other, you can put, there's a table here. Actually, we're gonna open the table, and I'll show you when it's open how it looks. And yeah, rotating the seats, I don't think I'm gonna rotate the seats, but if I do, you'll see that as well. But I really like the doors, and the boot space is actually quite huge. This vehicle, I think it's class leading in terms of the boot space. And here's the boot space. The boot space is slightly just over 1,000 liters load capacity. And then you see there's a strap for you here, so that you don't have to hold this. So the strap for you pull it down. It is heavy, but it'll close. I think I found something I don't like, how heavy that is, but it's not a choice match, I guess. But yeah, that's basically how the car looks from the outside. And yeah, let's see practicality. So now all I'm gonna do is just pop those seats so I can go into the third row. From the back, there's actually quite a lot of space. There's a lot of leg room as well. You can like relax. There's headroom. Headroom is actually quite a lot as well. And from there, where the panoramic sunroof is, much more. As you can see, it looks very, very beautiful. I can't get over how beautiful the car looks from here, and it makes you wonder because this is the Elegance, and this one goes for 849,900 rand. I'll correct myself if I'm wrong, but that's the price of this vehicle, and for that price, this vehicle is amazing. I'll definitely buy it. Looking at the competitors, how much they're going for, I'll definitely buy it. So do stick around. I've showed you the car, and I don't want to go too much into detail because this is not a review of the car. I'm just showing you like a walk around of the vehicle, but you'll see it when I get it on test. There's things coming into the car, so because the car has this, so yes, so because this is not like a full-on review, I am not gonna review the vehicle. I'm just gonna tell you a few things that I like here and there, so I don't want to go into much because when the car does come on test, I won't know what to say. So we're gonna stick to just what I've said, and I hope you guys do like the content. If you'd like to request something or you'd like to know anything about this vehicle, actually comment down below and I'll reply like I always do. I always reply to the comments. Tell me what you think of vehicles. Tell me if you like it, tell me if you don't like it. So pricing, right? This one is 849,900 rand, and then the edition, the lower trim, that's 749,000 rand as well. So tell me what you think about the pricing. And yeah, from South Africa, I'm Nicky Nash, and I hope you guys like the content. Till next one, there's another one coming after this, so stay tuned for our next launch. Keep it locked.